Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
How to troubleshoot a PS4 that won't turn on after an update. First, perform a power cycle by holding the power button for 7 to 10 seconds until it beeps twice. Then unplug the power cable for at least 30 seconds. If the issue persists, boot into safe mode by holding the power button until you hear 2 beeps. Then select option 3, Update System Software. If that doesn't work, try option 5, Rebuild Database. As a last resort, consider using option 6, Initialize PS4, knowing it will erase all data.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.